Hi beautiful, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I will show you guys how I quickly do my foundation routine for summertime. Now this is relatively easy, and during summertime I only focus on my base and I leave everything on my face bare. So the first thing that I'm going to do is obviously apply sunscreen, and I've already applied my usual facial sunscreen. And for primer today, I am going to use this e.l.f. Poreless face primer and focus that on the areas of my face that have large pores. And since it's summertime, our face tend to melt, so I like to set my primer with the Airspun loose face powder, and I only focus on the areas where I get really oily, so around here and my forehead. It has been really hot recently in Wellington, so I don't really like to pile on a lot of makeup. So the next thing I'm going to do is apply my foundation, and the ones that I'm currently using is this Rimmel London Breathable foundation with SPF 20. So you have to shake it, and I just dot on the areas where I need coverage. So my skin has been doing a lot better recently, so except for these areas here where I got a reaction from the sunscreen that I used yesterday. So what I do is just do that much. Usually I don't really care if I have a lot of imperfections coming through because it's summertime. I mean, you gotta let your skin breathe. So I like to buff my foundation with this Eco Tools blending and bronzing brush. I find that dual fiber just makes it easy, as well as it's great for refining my pores as well. And then for my redness, I like to use another layer just on the center, because that's where I tend to have a lot of redness. And then I stipple and then buff. And for concealer today, I'm going to use this Lifeproof concealer from Mecca Cosmetica, and I'll just put that in the middle. And I like to use a brush, so this is just like a pointed brush. Before I move on to contouring, I'm going to set the under eye. Just bake it a little bit so we don't crease. Now for contouring, I'm going to use this Rimmel Insta Duo Contour Stick. So I'm going to start with the contour. And then I'm going to blend that in with the foundation brush. For highlighter, I'm going to go and use this duo stick and just highlight away. And then I use the same brush. And to set everything, I'm gonna go back and use my Airspun loose face powder and kind of dust the under eye a little bit. For further bronzing, or to set the bronzer, I'm going to use this Wet n Wild contouring palette in the shade Caramel Toffee with a bronzing brush. So I'll hit the areas. And to chisel everything, I'm going to use the yellow banana powder and just define. And I'm also going to use this to set my under eye. For brows, I am going to use this e.l.f. brow pencil, and what I do is I just brush my brows. Honestly, I just used the leftover product from this spoolie and kind of brush it, because tendencies are I don't want my brows to melt, and I'm kind of lazy as well. So this is just what I wear during summertime, and it's pretty quick, it's easy, and for some people brows are the main thing. For me it's the same as well, but usually I get my brows tinted, so I don't have to worry about that. And last but not the least, I'm going to curl my lashes. So it will open up my eyes. I'm going to apply some lip balm. This is just the lip balm that I have on hand. And this is my summer foundation routine. It's very easy, very quick, and it's perfect if you want to put your face together but looks like you didn't really do a lot. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel for more updates, and I will catch you on my next video. Bye.